Hey man, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks so much for asking. How about you, my dear?
Alhamdulillah. Thanks for everything.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. So your name is Muhammad Tariq, is it right?
This is my nickname, but my full name is Muhammad Ismail
Muhammad
Tarek.
Ismail. Okay, nice name. And as you can see, my name is
Yeah.
Amjad, and this is my real name.
Okay. Amjad. Muhammad Amjad Tarek.
No, my full name is Amjad Sadiq, and I'm from Pakistan, as you can see on my profile.
Yeah, you're from Pakistan. I see on your profile. So, bro, why are you here?
And you're from Bangladesh, am I right?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, my friend. So what do you do for living?
Nothing. I'm a student.
Okay, that's fine. I'm also a student. Can I know what do you study?
Why not? I'm doing pharmacy at a private university in Bangladesh.
Okay, that's fine. I'm also studying Bachelor of Arts.
Okay, that's good.
Yes. So, do you want to improve your English?
Yeah, you're correct.
Okay.
That's the
So,
main problem these days. I want to improve my skill,
and what
knowledge
what do you
in
think about?
English.
Yes, it's good. So, what do you think about this application that we are using now?
So your voice is not clear. It's breaking a
Maybe
lot.
maybe I have a network problem. I'm speaking loudly,
But I
but
think your voice is clear to me now. Okay, just use the headphone.
yes,
Okay,
yes, I'm using headphones. But the mic
okay, it's
was
clear now.
mic was away from my mouth. Now it's it's
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah.
now it's touching my mouth, in fact.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
no
so
problem, no
I was
problem. That's why
yes,
I'm hearing you clearly. Okay.
yes, fine. I was asking you about the experience of this application that we are using now.
Uh, I'm using this application for last 1 month. Okay, but I'm not using this application in a continuous manner. Okay,
Yes,
I'm
same
really,
same here. I've been
yeah, yeah.
using this app for almost 2 years now. But in between, sometimes
Oh,
I uninstall it and then reinstall, and I can't conversate with my friends on regular basis.
oh, I
But
see.
but how?
But I think it's useful. Yeah, it's important.
Yes, it's
Okay.
really useful. Depending on the people, sometimes people are hanging up the calls, which we don't like. I think they don't want to learn English. They are willing to meet girls or something, maybe.
Your, your voice is breaking. Okay, I
I,
think
I'm sorry
internet
for I'm
connection.
sorry for that. Maybe I have network problem,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think
and
so.
I'm also listening some other voices. It's a bit noisy
Yeah,
around you. Are you working in an open place?
yeah, yeah. You're correct. I'm now in open place. Okay. If I
Okay,
stay at
no
my
problem.
home, I
No
don't get
problem.
an internet connection. That's
Oh,
why
no
I
problem.
get outside of my home. Okay.
No problem. And I forgot to ask about your city. Which city are you from?
Uh, okay. I live in Dhaka. This is the
Dhaka.
capital of Bangladesh. Okay.
Yes, it is, I know. And I'm from Kohat city. Have you heard this name before?
Which university?
Kohat. This is my hometown.
Oh
It's a
no, bro.
city.
I don't know about it.
Okay, no
I didn't
problem. It's
hear
near
the
to
name of the
Peshawar.
city. Okay.
It's near to Peshawar. I hope you know the name of Peshawar, the city of Peshawar, in fact.
Yeah. I heard about.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because Peshawar is very famous for sports. For example, we have
Oh, I see.
a cricket team which name is Peshawar Zalmi in Pakistan Super
Oh, I
League.
see.
As therefore many people know it only for this name.
Yeah.
Okay, so how is the weather in your area?
Uh, what about COVID-19?
Unfortunately, I have heard the news that it's coming back in Pakistan. Karachi is under lockdown still.
Oh, I see.
Schools,
But
universities
our
are opened.
government, our government left the lockdown completely. But our institutions, our cinema halls, okay, some popular and big supermalls are still now closed, okay, in a fear of spreading COVID-19, okay.
Oh, that's bad news because we have been suffering from the problem of lockdown for many months. We don't like to be a lockdown, but we can't do anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
But our
Do you
government
know?
left the lockdown just to rebound our economy. Okay,
Yes, this is the main
Europe is not
problem.
a developed country. Okay,
Uh,
it's an
do
underdeveloping country, and it will
yes,
reach the developing by 2030. Okay, this
yes.
is
If
the
we miss,
prediction of a government. Okay,
yes, that's right. If we have 1 day closure in our country, then our economy will go low because of the
yeah.
closure. So I want to ask,
Yeah.
do you know COVID-19 is there? Do you know
Yeah,
this is a disease which
if
people are
you
suffering from,
we're breathing in
or
a
this is only a
country.
name? This is only, I think it's just can be a fraud like just fake news are spreading
Uh,
because we didn't see any person in our area who is suffering from this virus. So where it is now,
yeah.
I don't know what's
Yeah.
happening in the world.
But I think COVID-19 vaccine will be available by the end of this year. Okay.
Ye-
As you know, US declared that they will develop a vaccine by the end of this year, even though China has declared that they will develop a vaccine within 6 months. Okay. At
yes,
the same time, India had declared that they will develop in partnership with Oxford International University by the end of this year. So I think we are waiting to get the vaccine. With the vaccine, okay,
yes,
okay,
we are
continue.
waiting. We are waiting for the vaccine,
Yeah,
and then we
yeah.
will see what happens next. Hope the situation will be right.
I don't think the situation will be as normal as before. But do you know one thing? If you maintain hygiene properly or according to health directives, and you may get a chance to relieve or to get, yeah, I should say, relief from the infection. Okay.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Okay,
So, bro, can I ask you a very silly question if you don't mind?
yeah, I hope I don't mind. Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. Do you know Bangladesh? Okay.
Yes, I
Once
know.
was a part of Pakistan.
Yes, it was a
Okay.
part of
Yeah,
Pakistan
I agree.
before
Okay.
1971.
Yeah, 1971 was the year when
Y-
our Bangladesh was independent.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Yes, I know very well about these things.
Okay. My silly question is about uh, do you like Bangladeshi people? But why do you like Bangladeshi people? If your question is yes,
Yeah, my question is yes, because first of all, we are all Muslims, whether you are from Bangladesh or from Pakistan, we are the same. We have the
okay.
same religion and we like each other.
We have the same belief, correct?
Yes, there is no
Yeah,
boundary
yeah.
between Islam, you know.
Yeah,
There is no any point that I don't like Bangladeshi people. Personally, I like every
yeah,
Muslim, whether he is in Bangladesh or in America or in Canada, whether he is, I like him.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. What do you think
What about
about
Pakistan?
Pakistan? Yes.
Bro, from a core of the heart, in a word, I will definitely say that I love Pakistan. They are very much loyal, okay?
Oh,
They have that much forgiveness, that much mercy, okay?
your voice
I like,
is not
I,
clear. I'm sorry. I didn't get your point. Can you please repeat your words?
okay. In a word, I should say I love Pakistani people a lot.
Yeah, you should. Thank you.
Yeah, but why should I love Pakistani people? Can you hear?
Yes, because I've
Or do you
already
want to
told
hear?
you that Pakistanis and Bangladeshis are Muslims. There should be
Yeah,
no
but
hatred
yeah, this is
amongst
a very
Muslims.
common argument. That is, yeah, we are Muslim, and that is why we should love each other. Okay,
Yes,
now the thing. Other than or instead, I'd say, okay.
yes.
Before that, let me share a short story. I went
Okay.
to Malaysia in 2016,
You were in
and
Malaysia
I
in
went to
2016.
yeah 2016.
Yes.
Okay, so and I had been there for 6 months, almost 6 months. Okay,
Okay.
I went there. Went there just to pursue my graduation, but I did not complete the course and came back to Bangladesh. Okay,
Okay.
but during the short period, I met up with so many people. They are
Okay.
from Malaysia, from Pakistan, from India, from China, from uh, Middle East.
Yes,
Okay,
because there are many people from different countries in Malaysia.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mostly, do you know? I got a lot of support from Pakistani people
Why? What was the
in
problem?
return. Yeah, the problem was, yeah, I was there alone, okay,
Yes.
and I didn't have any relatives there,
Okay.
but I met a person who's from Pakistan, and
Okay.
he he supported me a lot and helped me a lot whenever I
Yes.
faced any problem regarding my banking system, regarding my transportation system, regarding anything.
Yes.
I sought help from him, and he really extended his help to me
Oh,
without uh, without seeking anything in return from me. Okay,
okay. He didn't
and
want anything from you in return.
yeah.
Okay. And then,
He was really good, boss. And that's why um, I love you people a lot. Yeah,
okay,
that's why I love you
I was
people a
thinking
lot.
I was thinking you met a person from Pakistan who did wrong things to you, but fortunately he didn't do any wrong thing because
I
there are
see.
many types of people in Pakistan. Maybe some people are bad, but not all of them.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
say so Pakistani people helped you a lot in
Exactly.
Malaysia. Therefore, you like the people of Pakistan. Is it right?
Yeah, you correct. You correct.
Okay, thanks God.
Okay, bro. Uh, I'll go to take my bath. Okay, after 1 hour, I have to say Johor prayer. Okay, before that, before leaving, I'll just tell you that.
Yes.
Can you please, uh, can you please tell me something about my speaking, about my skill, knowledge in the English? Even though alongside, can you please give me rate from 1 to 10?
Sorry, your voice is not clear. I'm so sorry. Can you please ask your question again? Because I didn't get the full point, so I can't answer you.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Let me explain again. Okay, I want to know about my knowledge, my skill in the English language.
Yes, I got.
Okay,
Yes,
I
I
talk
got.
to you. Okay,
Yes.
I talk to you for 17 minutes, and
Yes,
by the
you're
time I think you know about myself and my condition in the English language, can you
I
please
think
tell me something about?
yes, I can definitely. Your English is improving and you need to improve. Your speaking skills is good because you can speak continuously. You spoke more than me. So your English is not bad, it's good and it's improving. You should speak more and more. I think you didn't make any serious mistake in your conversation. So from my point of view, your English is good, it's improving, but just focus on speaking clearly because many times I faced the problem with your voice. Sometimes you can't speak clearly. So make sure to pronounce the words
Mm,
in a clear way so that the listener can understand you well. Otherwise, your English is perfect.
okay,
Yes, because you can speak for many minutes. It's been I think 19 minutes or
1 minute left.
yes, 1 minute left before 20 minutes, and you talk to me
okay.
continuously. So your English is good and it's improving, and you should talk more and more. And finally,
Okay.
I would like to ask the same question for you from you. What do you think about my English?
Okay, bro. In a short, I should say, I must say,
Yeah,
you're really good at English. Your voice is
thank
very much clear.
thank you so
And
much for
one
praising.
thing I should say
Yes.
that just try to um, produce long sentence.
Oh
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. In the very beginning, we speak by short
Call ended.